Everyone faces problems in life. Sometimes we fail an exam, lose a job, or have a plan that doesn't work. These moments can make us feel sad, angry, or hopeless. But life does not stop when we fall. What really matters is how we stand up again. This ability to recover and keep going is called resilience. Resilience means we can handle difficulties, learn from them, and continue to move forward. It does not mean we never feel bad or never fail. It means we do not give up when things go wrong. We accept what happens and we try again with new energy and understanding. It's normal to face problems. No one has a perfect life. Even people who seem successful have faced many setbacks before they reach their goals. When we understand that challenges are a natural part of life, we stop asking why me and start asking, what can I do now? This question helps us focus on solutions instead of pain. When we focus on what we can control, we feel stronger. When we focus only on what we lost, we feel weak. So, the first step to resilience is to accept reality. Things go wrong sometimes, and that's okay. After something bad happens, emotions can be strong. We might feel disappointed, afraid, or even angry. It is important to notice and accept these feelings. When we say, I feel sad, or I am worried, we begin to understand what is happening inside us. This makes it easier to calm down. Trying to hide or ignore feelings doesn't help. It only makes them grow. When you face your emotions with honesty, they slowly lose power. You become the driver again, not the passenger of your emotions. A simple way to calm yourself is by breathing deeply. Take a slow breath in, hold it for 2 seconds, and then breathe out slowly. Do this a few times. It helps your body relax and gives your mind space to think clearly. When something bad happens, it can feel like the end of the world. But if you step back and look at the bigger picture, the problem often seems smaller. Ask yourself, will this matter in 1 year? Or, what can I learn from this? Most of the time, the answer helps you see that life continues. The situation that feels painful today may help you grow tomorrow. Many people later realize that a setback was actually a turning point. It pushed them to become stronger, wiser, and more focused. When we face challenges, some things are beyond our control. We can't change the weather, other people's opinions, or the past. But we can always control how we respond. This is the heart of resilience. You can choose to learn instead of complain. You can choose to rest instead of quit. You can choose to try again in a different way. Every small choice builds your inner strength. Resilience grows when we act, not when we wait. Our thoughts shape how we experience life. If we believe that failure means we are bad, we will feel hopeless. But if we believe that failure is a part of learning, we will feel motivated to improve. This is called a growth mindset. It means you believe you can learn and grow through effort and time. When you have a growth mindset, you see problems as opportunities to practice and become better. For example, if you fail a test, instead of saying, I'm stupid, you can say, I didn't prepare well this time. Next time I will study differently. This small change in thinking helps you move forward. When life feels heavy, don't try to fix everything at once. Start small. Take 1 step today. It could be sending 1 email, exercising for 10 minutes, or organizing your desk. Small actions build confidence. Each step tells your brain, I am doing something. Over time, These small steps turn into progress. Resilience is not about huge actions. It is about continuing, even when motivation is low. Remember, small progress is still progress. Strong people are not those who never need help. They are the ones who know when to ask for it. Talk to someone you trust, a friend, a family member, a teacher, or a colleague. Sharing your feelings makes the burden lighter. Sometimes you just need someone to listen. Other times you need advice or a new idea. People around you can give different perspectives. Asking for help is not weakness. It's wisdom. It shows that you are willing to grow and learn. Your body and mind work together. When you are tired, hungry, or stressed, it is harder to stay positive. That's why good habits are essential for resilience. Get enough sleep, eat healthy food, move your body, and take breaks when you need them. These simple actions make a big difference. A strong body helps you have a strong mind. Also, make time for activities that make you happy, listening to music, reading, or walking outside. These moments of peace give your mind the strength to face challenges again. Every mistake or failure carries a lesson. Instead of judging yourself, ask, what happened? What can I learn? What will I do differently next time? Write your thoughts in a notebook. Writing helps you see patterns and understand what really went wrong. Maybe you need more planning, or maybe you need to communicate better. Each reflection makes you a little wiser and stronger. The way you talk to yourself matters. When you say, I can't do this, your brain starts to believe it. But when you say, I can try, your energy changes. Replace negative self-talk with supportive words. Instead of, I always fail, say, I failed this time, but I can improve. Instead of, I'm not good enough, say, I'm learning and growing. Talking kindly to yourself gives you courage to keep going. Setbacks can show you how strong you really are. Think about times when you faced something hard and still managed to move on. Maybe you were patient, brave, or creative. These qualities are your inner tools. When you remember your past successes, you build confidence for the future. You realize that if you overcame difficulties before, you can do it again. Strength often hides inside challenges. You just need to look closely to see it. You can't be resilient if you are exhausted. Rest is not a luxury. It is a necessity. Take time to relax. Go for a walk, listen to music, or simply breathe deeply for a few minutes. Sometimes people think they must work harder after failure, but real strength comes from balance. Rest gives your mind space to recover and your body energy to continue. Even short breaks can make a big difference. Life doesn't always go as planned. You may need to change your goals or try new paths. Flexibility helps you adapt. If one plan doesn't work, think of another way. For example, if your dream job is not available now, learn a skill that will bring you closer to it later. If your trip is canceled, use the time for something else meaningful. Being flexible doesn't mean giving up. It means being smart and creative. Even in difficult times, there are small things to be thankful for: a friend who listens, a beautiful sunset, or a kind message. Thinking about these things reminds you that not everything is bad. Gratitude gives hope. It helps your heart stay open instead of bitter. Each day, write down 3 things you are thankful for. It trains your mind to see light even when days are dark. Resilience grows from self-belief. Tell yourself, I can handle this. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep trying. Every time you face a problem and survive it, you prove your strength. Failures do not define who you are. They are just moments. You are more than your mistakes. You are a person who learns, adapts, and continues. Believe in that truth. It will carry you through many storms. Don't wait for big success to feel proud. Celebrate the small victories. Waking up early, finishing a task, making a call you were afraid to make. Each small win is proof that you are moving forward. When you recognize these small steps, you build motivation. You remind yourself that you are growing, even if slowly. Resilience is built from these quiet, daily actions. In the end, resilience is not about avoiding pain. It's about transforming it. Every setback can teach you something valuable: patience, courage, or wisdom. When life knocks you down, you can choose to see it as an end or as a beginning. Each fall can be a lesson in disguise. Every time you rise again, you become stronger, wiser, and more confident. Resilience does not make life easy, but it makes you capable of facing it with hope and strength. And that is the real victory.